Hello and welcome. A few months ago, I uploaded a spin button trick as a short reel. Many of you have been asking about the full tutorial with formatting, and I'm excited to show you the full tutorial. So, are you ready to try the spin button trick in Microsoft Excel? Select the columns. Go to the Cells group, click on Format. Choose column width as per your requirement. Select the second row. Hold the Control key and select another row, leaving a gap of about 2-3 rows. Enter the row height. Select the row under the first pick and the row under the second pick. Then change the row height as per your requirement. Select the cells and apply Merge and Center. Repeat for other cells as needed. If you don't want to merge cells, just select a single cell and widen its column instead. Fill merged cells with desired colors for the respective locations. Select the cell and change the font size as needed. Enter your data. Adjust font color as necessary, and use bold for highlighting. Apply middle alignment. Repeat the process here. Enter data, apply font color, and bold. To calculate total cost, type is equal to then select total order multiply minimum order value. Change accounting format. Go to the View tab. Uncheck the grid lines. Go to the Developer tab, click Insert, select the spin button, draw it on the worksheet, and adjust its size as needed. Right-click the spin button and then click Format Control. Enter the minimum value. Then enter the maximum order value. And also enter the incremental change here. Link cell. Click OK. Now check the result by increasing and decreasing the values with the spin button. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this. I hope you found this helpful, and comment below if you have any questions.